not authorized to know that. Your engineering skills make you perfect for this task, but you're still a new convert to unitology. Relax and have faith. All I can tell you is that after today, the government will no longer stand in the way of the church. Should be some kinesis modules in this room coming up. See if you can find one while I work on these locks.
Module acts as an extension of the user's limbs, allowing for remote manipulation of objects and equipment. Personnel should be aware of the object's true weight when working in populated areas.
Use kinesis to clear this crap out of the way.
Finished.
That means you succeeded. Excellent job, Vandal. What you've done here today will stand in church history forever. You're a hero. Now get out of there and head to the church.
Foreign miner detected.
Vandal, get out of there quick. Make for the tram.
They're coming out of the walls! They're coming out of the walls!
today's accomplishment. You're to be one of the first blessed with ascension. The authorities are locking down the sprawl, cutting off the mines, locking you in, but don't be afraid. Your death will be glorious, a holy path to life beyond the death the church promised you. Altman be praised.
You knew this would happen, you lying sons of